Hello everybody, this is December the 22nd, 2025, and I am at Powell's Powell's Auto Repair in Cadiz, Kentucky. And I wanted to show you that it doesn't look like we're going to be taking this vehicle to see AJ tomorrow. Tomorrow is our travel day. We're leaving tomorrow to go see AJ, to spend all day with him on Wednesday in Pine Ridge, Kentucky, which is 5 hours from us. And originally, Stephen had hoped to take this, but that's okay. We're just glad that it's up on the rack, and we're glad that we're finally getting some work done on it. So we will not be taking this to see AJ, but it's not like we don't have another vehicle to take, so praise the Lord for that. So this is our 1996 F-350, and it is being serviced for a new transmission. And it is quite a different view to see it up in the air like that. And but no, I don't dare go underneath it. I mean, for one thing, I'm in somebody's shop, and it's a law. You're not supposed to go up underneath vehicles, and I wouldn't do that anyway. I'd have a phobia of it falling on me. But it is interesting, though, to see it up in the sky like that. So it's not Santa's sleigh. It's not Santa's sleigh that's up in the air. It's our 1996 F-350, and we have had it since the year 2000. We purchased this in Hazard, Kentucky, which, interestingly, Hazard is very close to where AJ's at in eastern Kentucky in Pine Ridge right now. So if we were to take this back to see AJ, it would be very close to Hazard, where we originally purchased this vehicle on July the 1st, 2020. So we just are coming up with 5 years of having this vehicle. And what's interesting about it being a 1996 is I graduated from high school in 1996. So this coming summer, this vehicle will be 30 years old, and I will be out of high school for 30 years come this summer. So, oh my, doesn't that make me feel old? Out of high school for 30 years. But so it's going to have a new transmission, and the reason why we had to have a new transmission is if you have been with our channel for a long time, you know that we made a silly mistake of getting out of the truck driving business and buying a track loader or a skid steer. So in 2024, in May of 2024, we tried to get out of the truck driving business and sold Stephen's black Freightliner, and we purchased a Taikuchi, or I don't know how you say it, Taikuchi, one of those funny words, track loader, and it destroyed our transmission on this truck completely. Stephen had a trailer, and he was pulling the trailer with this behemoth. I mean, a behemoth of a machine, and it just tore up the transmission really bad. And so it cost us in many ways, but that is why we have to invest in a new transmission. So we should have it back before long, though. Again, I am at Powell's Transmission Auto Repair in Cadiz, Kentucky. This is Monday, December the 22nd, 2025. And I'm wishing you all a great Christmas week. Hope that everybody who listens to this video has a Merry Christmas, and we wish you well. Merry Christmas.